My topic is healthy masculinity, and the reason why I chose that is because I've been working with young men, high school men, and really looking at what does it mean to be a man, and really helping them not only academically but also socially. I think now we're living in some very difficult times as far as masculinity and its term toxic masculinity. I really wanted to focus on healthy masculinity. So I was working with some area high school students and really had an opportunity to also work with college students right here at the Springfield College campus called the Men of Excellence. So I've been going to and conducting several workshops. I just feel very privileged and honored to engage in this work. It's worthwhile work, and just to seeing the young men sort of scratch their head and sort of think about, what does it mean to be a man, and supports that they need is very important. I see myself continuing to be a mentor for high school students. This initiative with 100 Miles to College, I believe it's in its 4th year of operation, so I know other cities are looking to replicate this program, so I'm a very good supporter of this program, but also just partnering with the high school youth. So I see myself continuing to work on a weekly basis, bi-weekly basis with these young men, engaging them with activities. So it's really rewarding for me to be a part of that, their energy, their passion. I'm teaching them, but they're also teaching me, as well. So it's really mutual beneficial relationships, and I'm glad I had the opportunity to be the humanics professor, but also just to engage with the community, which is my community, being born and raised here. So it's an opportunity for me to give back. The privilege for me to give back has really been satisfying.